Hey carpet cleaners, John here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through exactly how to generate leads for your carpet cleaning business without spending a single dollar on paid advertising. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I'm the CEO and owner of a company called Ads Grow Business, or AGB, and we specialize in one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only, getting carpet cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot, guaranteed. We've worked with hundreds of carpet cleaners all over the world, and in the last 12 months alone, we've spent over $2 million on paid advertising for the carpet cleaning industry. So we really know what works and what converts. And on this YouTube channel, I want to share with you some of the hacks, cracks, the hints and tips, and the things that we've learned through our experience of growing and scaling carpet cleaning businesses, in the hope that you might be able to take some of this stuff on board and use it to grow your carpet cleaning business too. I'm on a personal mission to help as many carpet cleaning businesses in the world as humanly possible, whether that's through working with them one-on-one through our special program or through this YouTube channel. So let's dive right in. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to generate leads for your carpet cleaning business without spending a single dollar on ads. Now, that's not to say that paid advertising isn't important. As a company, this is exactly what we do for carpet cleaners. And to be, quite frank with you, if you really want to grow, if you want to make $10,000, $15,000, $20,000, $25,000 a month on repeat, paid advertising is the way to go for your carpet cleaning business. But what I'm about to show you over the next 3 videos is something that which can reinforce your paid advertising and give it a bit of a boost. Number 2, if you're just starting out, if you're like literally new to the carpet cleaning game and you don't have the funds available to do paid advertising yet, this is a great way to get started, to get those first few jobs through the door and kickstart your carpet cleaning business. So let's dive right into the training now. Just to give you an idea, here is just a few of the guys that we're currently working with that are on our list. You can see there's literally hundreds and hundreds of people here. And here's just a few of the testimonials to kind of back up what I'm saying. So here's a guy here. The first 6 months with us, we were bringing in $10,000 to $15,000 a month with this guy. And then pretty much after that, it's been 20 to 25 with just this campaign. He's never yielded a return like that with Facebook ever before in his life. The ROI has been awesome, buddy. This campaign has been pretty much built my business from the ground up. Man, this campaign is skyrocketing for real. Your program is the real deal. Thank you. $20,000 a month with just your Facebook campaign. This is for our paid advertising campaign. Just wanted to let you know that. The only reason I'm showing you all of this stuff is just to show you, do you know what I mean? And let you know a little bit about what you're dealing with. We know our shit when it comes to marketing carpet cleaners throughout the USA. So that's a little bit about me, but I want you to know the purpose of this video is I'm not here to try and get any money out of you or to get you signed up into anything paid whatsoever. Like, I'm on a personal mission to help as many carpet cleaners as humanly possible to not only survive, but to thrive. This video is pure value. It's completely free. And I want to show you some tips, some tricks of how you can bring in jobs organically. It's just pure value for you guys. I just want to share the love, share the knowledge, and help you guys to grow. You're probably wondering if this is so good, this training, and you don't have to spend any money on advertising. Certainly if you're a current client of ours and you're watching this, like, why would I pay for paid advertising if this training is so good that it's going to bring me inquiries without spending any money? Well, let's just take a step back. Look, at the end of the day, there is nothing better than paid advertising, really, in this current day and age. On all the major platforms, Google, Facebook, so on and so forth, TikTok even, you have to pay to play. And that's where you're going to get the biggest return. That's where you're going to bring in the most volume of jobs. That's where you're going to make the most money for your carpet cleaning business by utilizing paid advertising. However, if you are just starting out and you do not have the money for paid advertising just yet, this is a great way to get started organically, what you're about to learn in this training, without having to spend any money. And then once you do start to have some jobs coming through the door, my advice would then be to invest in the paid advertising, and that's going to take you to the next level. For those of you that are already doing paid advertising, well, what you're about to learn today is a great addition to complement your paid advertising and help you to bring even more more jobs through the door. It's not something that's going to replace paid advertising, but it's something that will certainly complement it. And if you really want to grow and take your carpet cleaning business to the next level, then you should be utilizing all tactics, all channels to bring those jobs in, because the more channels that you use, the more systems, the more ways of marketing and advertising that you implement, the more people are going to find out about you and the more jobs you're going to generate. So with that in mind, now that we've kind of covered the basics, a bit about myself, a bit about the training, let's dive right in and actually run you through how we're actually going to do this. Let's start at the beginning. Effectively, what you're going to do is you are going to use your Facebook personal profile and you're going to build it out like a sales funnel. Now, you're not going to put your business name here. It's a personal profile. So if your name's Gary or Linda or Joe, keep it the same. And you still want your profile picture to be you, to be your face, right? That's me right there. You still want it to be the same. That's the first thing. The next thing is what you want to do is you want to build the rest of it out though, like a sales page effectively to advertise your business. And you can see here, I'm in the business of doing marketing and advertising for carpet cleaners. So my cover photo, you can see it there, big billboard. I generate bookings on autopilot for carpet cleaners, guaranteed. And so anybody landing on my page, on my personal profile, that's what they're going to see. It's very clear. It's very obvious. This is what I do. And I've actually been through some like profiles and stuff, and I've seen some guys that have also done this. For example, this is a guy called Elite Steamers, a guy called Martel, and you can see he's changed his cover photo here. He's got call to action there, contact us. He's got his phone number. He's got his website. He's got what he does. Amazing. Perfect. That's great. So what you want to do is build a cover photo like that, like you see on the screen there. You can use Canva. That's a free tool for creating those kind of images. Another one which is great, which you can get for your cell phone, is Adobe Spark Post. That's also awesome. So check those out and you want to build that out. Now, this is the important bit, because I see people like Martel that get part of this correct, but they're missing some real basic vital stuff, which is going to generate them inquiries organically. And so just to kind of give you an idea, once you've actually got your cover photo hooked up like this, you want to put in your intro message. So I've put in my intro message here. We generate thousands of dollars every single month for carpet cleaners, and a call to action. Schedule a call now, pointing down to my links. So if you're a carpet cleaner in Miami, we're a family-owned carpet cleaner based in Miami. We offer steam cleaning, tile cleaning, upholstery cleaning, blah, blah, blah. Click the button below, call us now, or whatever your call to action is, and drop that in there. So the first thing, people land on here, and the first thing they see is the message, the USP, if you like, and the call to action to schedule a call. And if we look on this one, that's non-existent here. And then the other thing, and possibly even more important, the intro message is filling out your about section. Now, I've seen some people that effectively fill out their about section with like multiple different like jobs that they've worked at in the past, multiple hobbies, likes, films, food they like, and it's as long as you are on the list. You just want it to be super minimal, because then it makes it very, very easy for people to take that next step with your business. So just put in your website, your phone number, maybe your email address, right? On mine, I've just got my website and a scheduler link to schedule a call with us. And again, if we look here, there's no about info. You've got it up here, which is great. But like if you were to put it in the about section here, the website, your email, your phone number, it makes it very easy for people to take that next step. They can just click on that and it's going to take them to the website, or they can just click on it and they can email you, and they can just click on it and call you. Right now, like with this, you've got to kind of take your phone and like type it in manually, and people are lazy in 2021. So fill out the about section. And the other thing as well that you can do is you can have what's like a featured post or featured image. This is something that's going to pop up when people land on your profile as well. So this is mine. It says, John, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. I don't know what your secret sauce is, but my business went from a few jobs a week due to COVID-19 to being like it's the middle of the busy season and COVID doesn't exist. It's crazy how busy we are. So what you can do is go on your Google GMB, on your Google My Business, if you've got one, go and find your absolute best review that you've got on planet Earth, screenshot that and make it like a featured photo. Once you've got these basic steps set up on your personal profile, this is just like the start of this, by the way. If you're watching this and like you're thinking, oh God, really? Like this isn't really that interesting, whatever. Like, okay, like I've already done this. Do stay tuned, because as we get into this, I'm going to show you some hacks to actually leverage this once you've got it set up and actually bring in those consistent inquiries and jobs and stuff. So do stick with it. The real juicy stuff is on its way. But just going back to this, like once you've got the basics set up, you're ready to take that next step. So let's just do a little summary. Cover photo, kind of like this guy, but with your logo and like basically all the links and all the info around your business, something like that. You can build it on Canva, whatever. Intro message with call to action, minimal about section filled out with the main links to your business, phone number, email, so on and so forth. Featured post with one of your best carpet cleaning reviews as well. So now when people land on it, it's like, this is what you do. It's a huge billboard. Scroll down here, little bit more detail, a bit more message, call to action, pointing to the phone number, links, so on and so forth to get in touch to book the appointment. Boom. And then a little review, like your best review there to kind of back it up and show that kind of proof that you guys are awesome. And that's why they should book you in. To do all of that, it's like literally half an hour's work, man, like maximum. The longest bit would probably be building this out and making it look really nice. You could probably hire somebody on Fiverr to do it for you if you didn't want to do it yourself. But like I say, there's a number of free apps. If you've been enjoying this series of videos in the YouTube channel and you'd like to work with us on a one-on-one basis to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level, to grow, to scale it, to generate jobs on autopilot with our specialist system, head to the description down below where you'll find a link to schedule a Zoom call. But be warned, there are only 5 slots open at the moment to bring on new carpet cleaning businesses into our one-on-one program. It's strictly limited, so be quick, go to the description, click the link, schedule a time now while you still can. We'll see you on Zoom, and we're really excited to walking you through our program, through our system, and showing you how we can work with you directly to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level. See you on the next video, guys. Peace.